Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo on Wednesday said that artists of international repute, including Bryan Adams, the band Blue, and Ed Sheeran, are performing in Shillong, which he stated highlights the growing interest the world is showing in brand Meghalaya. The tourism minister also noted that the chief minister has announced rapid progress on the expansion of the runway at Shillong Airport. Additionally, plans for helicopter services linking key tourist circuits are underway. He expressed confidence that improved air connectivity would lead to a manifold increase in tourist inflow. The minister further spoke about the Land Bank Initiative, a joint venture agreement allowing landowners, either individually or in groups, to collaborate with the government for the development of their lands.
Well, a lot of artists and performers of international repute are traveling to Shillong. And as you're aware, apart from Bryan Adams, we'll be having Blue, another group which will be here on New Year's Eve. And right after that, in the month of February, we'll be having Ed Sheeran, one of the top performers in the world today. And this is all indicative of the interest that the rest of the world is showing in brand Meghalaya. We've done quite a few things which I believe is right and setting the ecosystem in place, because tourism cannot develop in isolation. So what we have done is we have created the tourism circuits linking, as I mentioned the other day, we linking the various circuits beginning with Omyam. Any visitor to Omyam would be encouraged to visit New Shillong, then Sora, then Dauki, places like that. So at least 5 major tourism destinations will be linked as a circuit. That apart, we all are also, as you heard the Honourable Chief Minister announcing, that we are on making rapid progress on the expansion of the runway of the Shillong Airport. That will happen within the next 6 to 8 months. And we are confident that with better air connectivity, the inflow of tourists would grow manifold. Also, I'd like to draw your interest to the preparation that we are making today, which is at the initial stage, but we hope that this we will be able to implement very soon, which is to have chopper services linking the state capital of Assam to the tourism circuits that I mentioned. So a lot of planning has gone, and like today, for instance, the fact that in one single day you have 175 crore ropeway project and 125 crore 5-star hotel in a single day being initiated, which shows how focused and how dedicated we are.
How many?
A land bank would be that we are calling for people owning lands, individuals and groups who are interested in having the government develop their lands, for which an agreement, a joint venture agreement would be inked. So, for instance, I'll just cite the example of Dauki, where we do not have enough tourist accommodations. Now the 4-laning is going well, progressing very well. And also tourism in Dauki has grown exponentially. But accommodation facilities are lacking. That is why we need offer from the community, offer from individuals to part with their land and partner with the government. That's what we do.
So you will be calling for?
We have already called, yes. Okay.
Any response from people for land bank?
No, we have just called just yesterday. So we have given them time till middle of January. Yes.